Hello beauties! It's another video and another unboxing with me. So, nabudol ako dito sa TikTok. Dapat kayo rin. Charot! So, eto na, nabudol talaga ako dito ni Sammy J. Kaya, I'm so excited na mabuksan siya. And this parcel, it's also give me some more experience. So, this video guys is from sa market na siya at now this is it. So, sa nagsisimula ng mga small business dyan. So, try this one and good start talaga siya. So, na-experience ko lang dito is yung may mga item ako na hindi dumating. So, my God, that's it. Pero, I immediately contact the seller. So, I send them some photos, video para lang prove nga meron talagang hindi dumating ng mga items sa akin. And then afterwards, they are immediately response to my complaint, and then I request a refund immediately. And then after that is yun na nga, pagka kinabukasan noon is may dumating naman yung refund sa akin. So, good reviews din po yun sa shop na to dahil they are immediately response sa mga ganitong nangyayari. So, hindi naman po talaga tayo perfect. May mga aberya din po na ganyan. So, at least, nagawa nila ng paraan. So, I gave the shop 5-star for that. Then, sa mga item naman po, good kasi wala talagang nabasag kahit ni isa. And then, mabango talaga siya. And lumalaban po siya sa mga expensive perfume na alam na natin yung sikat na nandyan na sa market. Then, yun lamang po. And thanks for watching this one and hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. At pagpabudol na rin po kayo. The comment or the link is in my comment section or in the description. So, thank you. That's it. Bye, everyone. I'm Ping.